Hello, this is AI Professor. Today, we will talk about NotebookLLM, the most powerful tool in 2026.
Stop wasting hours on notes. This AI tool will change everything. Stop wasting hours on notes. This AI tool will change everything. Meet NotebookLLM, the smartest AI notebook of 2026. Just upload your PDFs, documents, or notes, and it understands everything instantly. Ask questions from your own notes, like chatting with your brain. Turn long content into short, powerful summaries in seconds. Create study guides, scripts, and ideas automatically.
Okay, let's see what the AI suggests here. As you can
Perfect for
see,
students,
the AI provides
teachers,
real-time
and
feedback.
content creators.
Now I'll drag this clip and add the AI enhanced overlay. This enhances the learning experience.
If you're not using NotebookLLM in 2026, you're already behind. Follow for more.